The sun is shining bright like a colorful aurora. It paints the world in hues of orange and white and more. I'm gonna start packing my bag. I'm leaving all worries behind. Let's go, I need to get my own summer style back. The breeze is playing soft through the palm trees loft. Seen it whisper secrets of each land. The sound of the waves lapping on the beach is like a pleasant melody. Soothe my heart's troubles. Windows down with the wind in my hair. I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer. My summer trip. Take me away, all worries to a place where my heart can play. Under the stars, by the ocean shore, by the vast grassland.
Mama, Jesus. How na day? Na ebo no biteraka o. Ah, it's far.
What is it, Auntie?
I find a hidden cove where the dolphins rove. I watch them dance in the ocean's cove. I build a sandcastle high. I touch the summer sky. I sit around a fire, share stories that will never tire. I found the feeling of summer. I fell in love with the feeling of summer. The breeze is playing soft through the palm trees loft. Seen it whisper secrets of each land. The sound of the waves lapping on the beach is like a pleasant melody. Soothe my heart's troubles. Windows down with the wind in my hair. I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer. My summer trip.
I knew she was going to feed me. See? Now she said go and take food.
Where my heart can play. Under the stars, by the ocean shore, by the vast grasslands. Oh, it's the smell of summer. Place where my heart can play. Under the stars, by the ocean shore, by the vast grasslands. Oh, it's the smell of summer.
Like that, yeah. What's this one? Babies.
Just small. I smell it water.
This one is about what Hello, this is the boss lady. What's your name?
Blessing.
Blessing. Where have you been
What's
this
your
morning?
name?
What's my name? What's my name? What did she say?
What's your name?
My name is Glory.
Chloe.
Glory. You look beautiful.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Have you been sleeping?
I've been watching tablets.
Oh, you've been watching your tablets. Okay. Bye. Because I know you're going back.
I so much like to interact with kids.
Your baby says she has a skincare routine, so she's going to show me her skincare products. That's really interesting. Oh, she's not joking. So we've got this one. Avino body lotion. So she's got this one. She's got Cocoa Radiance. This is a nice one. Body oil. She's got this one. And she's got white sunset. She's got this one as well. Nice. This is the face. See? It's working, isn't it working? Yeah. Look good. And I like your hair. You've got so much hair. I don't have that much hair. I just yeah, I wish I had more hair like you. My hair is scanty. Yours is better. Right, thanks for showing me your skincare products. Why my square roots? Say hi. I came to check on her because I haven't seen her in a while. And nobody used to give me hugs like she does and gives me food. So I came to say, to ask her why she hasn't been coming. What's like to you again?
I will come during the holidays. I will try and come to the Chosolos.
Oh.
But I would love her to come and visit again.
I may come and visit again.
A lot of old times and all that.
Thanks for the food. I have food for like 2 days now.
The story.
Yes, I don't eat much, so that food will take me like